Assalamualaikum Chatoray party, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we are making noodles,
also called as the Chicken Chow Mein.
Chicken Chow Mein is a popular recipe around the world. Although its origin is China, every culture has its own version. Of course, this is the Chatoray's version.
This is the perfect Chicken Chow Mein recipe and a perfect meal for you with a unique taste.
If you liked the pasta video, then you will love this recipe. By the way, the pasta recipes link is in the description below. Let's start.
Do you know how to use those?
I'm self-taught.
In simple words, no.
Hey, there's no harm in trying. Let's see.
It's amazing.
Oh yeah.
If you want to learn how to make this recipe, then let's chatpat into it.
Ingredients for chicken marination. Boneless chicken 250 grams cut in julienne. 1 egg white. Corn flour 1 tablespoon. Salt half teaspoon. Black pepper half teaspoon. For sauce, soya sauce 1 tablespoon. Vinegar 1 tablespoon. Oyster sauce 1 tablespoon. Chilli sauce 1 tablespoon. Black pepper 1 teaspoon. Salt half teaspoon. Cabbage cut in julienne shape half cup. Green capsicum cut in julienne shape 1/4 cup. Red capsicum cut in julienne shape 1/4 cup. Carrot cut in julienne shape 1/4 cup. Spring onion white part 1/4 cup. Spring onion green part 1/4 cup. First of all, we will marinate our chicken. In a bowl, add chicken, egg white, corn flour, black pepper, and salt. Mix it well and set it aside for half an hour. Now we will prepare a sauce mixture. In a bowl, add chili sauce, vinegar, soya sauce, oyster sauce. Here we go. Then salt and black pepper. Mix it. It is convenient to add all sauces in a bowl at a time so you may not forget to add any sauce. In a large pan, boil 2 liters of water. Add 1 tablespoon salt and 1 tablespoon oil. Add noodles and cook until fully done. Strain them, here we go, and pour tap water on them to stop the cooking process. Heat 1 cup oil in a pan and fry the marinated chicken in it. Fry it until the chicken becomes crispy and golden in color. Here we go. I think we'll wait a few more seconds. Oh, it's looking beautiful. Let's get the rest. Heat 1 tablespoon oil, add crushed garlic and fry till light golden. Add carrots, white part of spring onion, green capsicum, red capsicum, fry for a few seconds. Then add cabbage. Fry it. Now add boiled noodles. Fry them for a few seconds. Ah, I love that fresh colors of the vegetables. It's time to add more flavor. Add all the sauces and cook together for a couple of minutes to incorporate all flavors of sauces into the noodles and veggies. Here we go. Now add fried chicken. And then the green part of spring onion and cook for 1 minute. And the final step, eat it and enjoy.